Human trafficking and migrant smuggling has been prioritized by the government of Aruba. In 2019, the Coordination Center on Human Trafficking and Migrant Smuggling was established to able to connect all the different entities and provide the necessary services to possible victims. This Coordination Center has three main tasks, which is to provide information through a 24/7 hotline, educate through training and awareness campaigns, and assist by providing shelter and other services to victims of human trafficking. And as of last month, educational material will be introduced in schools as part of their curriculum to create even more awareness. The government of Aruba has established, when it comes to combating domestic violence, a family justice center in line with the Istanbul Convention. The overall goal of the Family Justice Center is to ensure that survivors of gender-based violence, domestic violence, and physical abuse have access to all needed services to enhance their safety and increase offender accountability. These services include medical, forensic, judicial, and therapeutic services. This year, Aruba also launched its first comprehensive gender equality policy document, an action plan and education framework, which includes an integrated, multidisciplinary approach to addressing domestic and relational violence. UN Women is currently assessing the Aruba gender machinery as a regional project and with the objective of enabling and supporting the implementation of the gender policy and action plan. The report includes strategies that address the specific situation of the most marginalized groups in our community, including migrants. When it comes to children's rights are a subject that is very high on our agenda, and as a result, many projects have been and are being executed to ensure that children's rights are honored. Aruba has a youth and vice squad who are trained to conduct children's interrogations alongside qualified psychologists to present a more solid case in court of law with regards to child abuse cases. Furthermore, to mitigate child abuse and ensure that every child is aware and educated about their rights, we have introduced a children's rights program called I Am My Own Hero, and this is a carefully thought out project that empowers and builds the children's confidence by educating them about inclusion and their rights, but also it prepares them for which actions to take if abuse may occur. The government of Aruba, in collaboration with Sede Aruba, a national funding and development agency, is executing a multi-year program to increase the sense of trust, social cohesion, happiness, well-being, and security in neighborhoods of Aruba. This program is based on a collaborative approach where community centers, grassroots initiatives, diverse NGOs, and government agencies come together to add to the social capital of everyone. And last September, the government allocated for the next 5 years extra funding to be able to provide different programs that will contribute to several SDG goals.